Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in San Diego today. And, you've seen me shoot the FM9 Mini 5. And I make it look easy. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, but he shoots all the time. And you're right. But it is such an easy gun to shoot that I have had many people shoot who've never shot before who take that FM9 Mini 5 and can shoot out to 50 yards on the first shot. Check this out. A little low, but just now bring it up a little higher.
Okay.
Yeah, and now hit the other one.
Hit the low one.
Yeah, just like that.
Makes it easy with that red dot.
Yeah,
Sure
didn't
does,
it?
yeah. Now hit this close one 2 times. Dang, bang. Quick.
The close one.
Yeah, right there.
I don't want to hit the table.
Bang, bang.
Wow.
Pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so now, here's the next trick is to go like this. Go bang, 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 bang. So you hit that target and go right to the next target. Don't stop. Just keep on going. Just go, imagine there's mask wearers coming to your house. They want to vaccinate. All right, pretty simple, huh? If she can do it, what do you think you could do with that Mini 5? It is an amazing gun, and it is probably the best self-defense choice, home defense choice you can make because it's so controllable and so accurate. So, FM9 Mini 5, we've got them in stock, and they're going to go fast. We'll get more, but get on the list right now.